Okay guys, today I'm gonna be harvesting some eggplants. Of course I got just two hands, so it's not gonna be easy for me to hold the camera and cut this eggplant harvested. There you go, there's one there. This eggplant is a craft. That's the reason they grow so big. I got some wild eggplants. I don't know if you hear about that. You see the eggplant? It's probably like 2 pounds. I don't know. It's very big. There you go. Now this eggplant here is being crafted on top of this. This one here is a wild eggplant. I don't know if you can see the thorns here. This wild eggplant grows very fast and it's wild because you get from it, what you get is like a little green ball and some white beautiful flower out of it. But you can craft onto this one a regular eggplant like that one there, and they grow so big that is incredible. And to craft this plant, the eggplant to this wild eggplant, is very easy. It's not so complicated. And in another video I'm going to show you how to craft the eggplant. I'm going to be doing that with the wild tomatoes too. I will show you in one of my videos. Please, if you see this video, please subscribe. I need subscribers. Nobody lose nothing with that. Okay, I'm gonna keep here harvesting eggplant because this one that I took two already got plenty more. See right there? Right here I got another one. I mean, this one has like 6 or 8. There you go. There's another one here. Wow, this crafting for eggplant. But it's not that easy to sell this stuff. People, I don't know what's going on with people around here. They don't like this eggplant. So if you want to sell it to make some extra cash, they want to buy very cheap too. I mean, this is organic stuff. I don't put any pesticide on these things. Everything I plant is organic, see? And I have a battle against the butterfly larva and with ants. There is plenty of ants around here. So they will try to eat everything you plant. I mean, look at that one here. This is like probably 1.5 pounds. There you go. But you can see there is some sickness there too. I don't know if you can see it. It's some kind of parasite that it drops some white stuff, some white glue, and then the ants get to your plant to eat that stuff, and they will multiply the ooze, and then they destroy your plant too. So it's not that easy to fight against all these kind of parasite and insects. But you will grow some good eggplants. You just crafting. I mean, the crafting here is not that hard. One crafted here, see, you can see on this one. This one I crafted already. You got to get the young shoots. You got to take that young shoots and keep it clean. So I crafted this one. It's like 6 inches tall. They will grow very fast. This is a wild eggplant, and this is the purple eggplant, violet eggplant. This wild eggplant, their roots goes around. They run around your garden, and you will get so many wild eggplants. I mean, from a plant you can get 20 of those little ones, like 2 foot apart. and then you can cultivate eggplant very easy like that. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. This is another eggplant here. I'm gonna be picking those eggplant, then I will give you later how much I got. Okay, this is the harvest for today. We have some sweet pepper. We got a hot pepper. These are sweet, this is not hot. And I got some wild cherry tomatoes, first wild. Then right here I have some hot pepper tomato, hot pepper and right here I have the eggplant. There you go. This is the eggplant that I just pick up. See, this eggplant is so big. This is a grafting eggplant. There you go. Maybe probably 2 pounds. There you go. That's the harvest for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.